Yeah, man! Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you Spirulina condensed milk drink. You will need condensed milk, sugar, spirulina. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. This is dried spirulina. We're using 1 cup of dried spirulina. You may double the amount of spirulina for this recipe. This is the spirulina up close. Get a bowl, add enough water. We're going to wash the spirulina properly. Where you see it have this nice, beautiful ocean looking color green. Go through and remove foreign objects. Anything that is not spirulina, just remove it. Look for shells. Sometimes you have some little small, beany, tiny shells. Look for shells and remove it. The spirulina plant is from the ocean. Spirulina plant grows in the sea. The spirulina has sand in it, so you gotta wash it out properly. So get a bowl, add enough water, drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Look for shells and other debris. Remove anything that is not spirulina. Use your fingers and work out the sand. Wash spirulina clean. Support the chef. Visit his online stores. The product you will purchase was designed by him. This recipe is in Cookbook, Jamaican juice drinks. Alright, once you do this, give it a final rinse. It's best if you give it a final rinse under fresh running water. You want to make sure you remove sand. Some people would soak the spirulina. If you're in a hurry, it's not necessary. Next, we're going to boil the spirulina to tenderize it. When it is blended, that will give you a smooth drink. Put washed spirulina in a clean saucepan or a stewing pot. Add 2 cups water. Put it to heat, allow it to come to a boil, and then turn the stove down. And then turn the stove on low. You want to keep the lid on the saucepan while it's boiling. Put the stove's gauge on 4, medium low. However, if it starts to froth and overflows, slightly leave the lid halfway open. But if you keep it on low, it won't overflow. So just keep it on low and cover the saucepan properly. Simmer spirulina for 30 minutes on low flame. After 30 minutes, turn the stove off. Allow it to cool before you blend it. In total, we used 4 cups of water. Get your blender ready. Add 2 more cups water. Add boiled, cooled spirulina into the blender. Measure and add condensed milk. Add 4 tablespoons condensed milk into the blender. Get a clean bowl ready. Use the blender's jar lid. Cover the blender properly. Allow it to blend between 3 minutes. First on low speed and then on high speed. Allow. After blend, the clean bowl ready. It's not necessary to strain it. Listen, this spirulina drink is drinkable by itself after blend. It's fresh, but it's drinkable. Add milk only to spruce the flavor. Add blended mixture into the bowl. Although it's not necessary to add sugar to this drink, to sweeten it, you may add sugar. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. In total, we are using 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You may use granulated instead. Stir it in until you're not feeling sugar grain on the bowl's bottom. This recipe is in Cookbook, Jamaican juice drinks. Taste it, see if it's sweet enough to your liking. I already know it's gonna be sweetened just right. Very important that you allow the mixture to cool before you add milk. It's not good to add milk to warm liquid and then freeze it. It's gonna curdle. I'm not sure if the right word is curdle, but that's the word we use in Jamaica. Curdle. That means let me see now. That means if it's hot and then you allow it to cool and then put it in the refrigerator and then it get cool, it kind of have this unpleasant look, like it's spoiling, but it's not really spoiled, but it just looks unpleasant. So remember that, very important. To store Spirulina condensed milk drink, pour it in a jar. Use the lid, seal it properly. Keep it in the refrigerator no more than 3 days. However, you may freeze it for up to 6 months in a tight sealed container. Although, if you ask me, the flavor of this drink to me would make a nice tea. I don't know if somebody else can agree with me, but since I've been drinking it, it just reminds me of tea. The flavor is like the aroma of seagrass. I don't know if that makes sense. I've never tasted seagrass, but the aroma and the flavor reminds me of seagrass. Before serving, shake container well. Shake the drink well before serving. Serve Spirulina condensed milk drink cool. It's best served cool. This is Spirulina condensed milk drink. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try making this drink yourself. When you do, give us your feedback. Feed us back with your experience. This Spirulina condensed milk drink is a lovely drink. Do not mix this drink sweet. In fact, don't use sugar. For another drink idea, add pinch grind nutmeg. Follow my method and you will enjoy this drink. I love it. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense food packed with vitamin A, C, E, and B. It is full with minerals. The antioxidants will help protect your cells and tissue from getting damaged. Until next time, bye. Yeah, man. Support the chef. The recipe for this drink is in Cookbook, Jamaican juice drinks. Go see Spirulina coconut milk drink.